name is Mia, and today I'm going to be sharing some tips with you on how to successfully Ollie. Stay tuned.
The Ollie is one of the most important fundamental tricks to learn. It's the catalyst to performing other tricks like grinds, flip tricks, and 180s, just to name a few. Place your front foot in the center of your board and then your back foot on the tail of your board. Make sure that both of your feet are pointing forward. The first major step to performing an Ollie is bending. Bending your knees creates momentum for popping the board, which is the second step. Focus on the ball of your foot when you pop. Popping the tail will assist in getting your wheels off the ground, along with the third step, sliding. Sliding your foot towards the nose of your board will level out the Ollie. If you're having trouble leveling your Ollies and they look like this, try sliding your foot harder. I recommend practicing these moves stationary, and then while moving. So, to successfully Ollie, always remember, bend, pop, slide. Stay over your board, jump up, land with your knees slightly bent, and roll away. Skateboarding takes a lot of patience and dedication. The more you skate, the easier skateboarding becomes. So get out there, practice, and remember to have fun.
Well, thanks for watching. I hope this video was beneficial to your skate journey. Till next time, peace.